Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in an outdoor testing studio where I believe to have a cool new product. These are from Skyreat. These are for my Mini 3 Pro new drone. My little baby here. I'm loving this, but you see that? I've had a problem actually with the case that comes with it. It's a really nice bag, but these more than my other drones, these blades are very light, seem kind of very flimsy, and they get caught on everything. So I needed to resolve that problem, and this is supposed to do it. So let's open it up, take a look, see if it works, and I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of it as we go through that process. So let's take a look. This is what it looks like, not installed or anything like that. Let's put it on, see if it works. Okay, so I finally figured it out and got it installed. Once you figure it out, it's not bad, but it definitely takes a little bit of fiddling around to see how it goes on there. And you can see how nicely the blades are all kept in. This thing is fabulous. This will be perfect. It'll keep the blades from getting caught when I put it in its bag. So I'm gonna say this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score once you figure it out. It's gonna take 5 annoying minutes for you to get used to it, but after that, it's great.